Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart, we have opened a very good gap up open and it has opened above our resistance level, and that gap up has sustained and we have seen a very good rally in the first half, and in second half there was a very good rejection levels at this level of 19,500. So we have seen some retracement from that level and the market has consolidated in the second half, and it almost came to our resistance level that becomes support here and close with 83 points positive. Whereas Bank Nifty in 5 minutes chart, it also opened gap up, and that gap up had not sustained. It was consolidating in this range only, and this was our resistance level which was provided in yesterday's analysis video, the algo points. So exactly near to our range it was consolidating, and we have seen a very good sell off in the second half, and this was our support level which also we have provided in yesterday's analysis video by saying algo points in Bank Nifty. So only 3 points away from our support level. We have given 44,660 and it has went to 44,663. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big play I've planned for the coming expiry. Will follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 3.31 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded 16,000 contracts, so they have 3.13 lakhs of put buying. In call, they were holding 1.59 lakhs of call buying. So today they have increased their call buying by 83,000 contracts, so they have 2.42 lakhs of call buying. So put buying is more than call buying. Slight negative in options. In future index, 72% long, 28% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 53% long, 43% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 1197 crores positive value. So CFI view is positive only. Client are the retailers in put, they were holding 3.61 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 19,000 contracts, so they have 3.41 lakhs of put buying. And in call they were holding 42,000 of call buying contract. So today they have made a fresh call writing of 1.27 lakhs of call writing contract. They are still holding a positive positions in options, and in future index 42% long, 58% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 82% long, 18% short, and in cash market they have sold for 348 crore negative value. So see, client don't have any directional view. Promoters input, they were holding 15,000 of put writing contract. Today they have increased 3,000 contracts, so they have 18,000 of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 2 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 86,000 contract. Now they have 1.15 lakhs of call writing contract. In options they are negative. In future index 41% long, 59% short. It means they have increased the long, reduced the short by 1 percentage. Stock future percentage 63% long, 37% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 310 crores. Promoter, they are bullish only. So DI have sold for 7 crores in the cash market. So the cash flow was 1,151 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week is at 0.9. Bank Nifty is at 0.61. So Nifty is super bullish comparing to Bank Nifty. And for month end, Nifty is at 1.31 and Bank Nifty is at 0.95. Super bullish for the month end. Now let's check the change in why Nifty, what people carry forwarding for coming expiry. We have seen a huge call writing unwinding at 19,400 and good put writing addition at 19,400 to 19,500. People carry forwarding short straddle of 19,500. A major support resistance comes around 19,500 only. And in Bank Nifty, we have seen no more action, but good put writing from the 44,500 to 44,700, and put and good call writing from 44,800 to 45,000, and 45,000 is a major resistance. So Bank Nifty, as per the change in OI, it looks negative. Now let's take the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame they're trading positive by 136 points, whereas Nasdaq trading positive by 33 points. Gift and Nifty trading positive by 119 points. So India VIX is at 11.01, crashed 4% today, still neutral. Nifty in 1 day candlestick pattern, we have seen it has made a inverted hammer candle. It means still it is ready to fly high. Whereas Bank Nifty in 1 day candlestick pattern, so we have seen very good selling pressure from 3 days, and it is still consolidating in this range 44,600 to 45,000. So bank nifty is slight weak than nifty, so mark the algo point support and resistance. Nifty support comes around 19,392, resistance comes around 19,500. Bank nifty support comes around 44,559, resistance comes around 45,035. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is neutral, whereas FII he is considering purchasing in cash market and he is positive in futures. So don't think of shorting the market until the FII turn negative or there is any negative news in the market and there is a very good sell off. Then only we will confirm selling. Until we will buy in every dip. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.